Hello there again. Planning on taking my first morning flight. First off, gotta go to Cabela's, see if I can find me some heated gloves. Afraid that try to fly, my hands are going to get cold, as they usually do when I fly and it's cold. And I haven't flown now in probably going on 2 months. It's killing me to get up in the air. And of all mornings I picked to fly for my first morning to fly. It's 12 degrees outside here in Abingdon, Virginia. But I'm gonna give it a try anyways and see what happens. Well, we'll see you out there. We've arrived at Cabela's and I've had to wait an hour. As you can see, the sun's already up, so I don't know what kind of flying I'll get to do, but I guess we'll see what happens. Okay, so I finally made it to my location where I'm gonna fly. Went to Cabela's, got some gloves. I was looking for the heated gloves. They didn't have them. I ended up getting these two. One is the Cabela's men's winter gloves. Heavyweight, insulate, all that good stuff. They're just a regular winter glove, I guess. Gore-Tex, I think. Maybe. I don't guess so. But these here are actually Gore-Tex with data tip, so I'm guessing you can use your phone with these gloves. I wanted to try these first. I hope they're not too thick. That's what I'm worried about, because my throttle, of course, has finger throttle, so if I get too thick of a glove, I got fairly big fingers, as you can see. If I go too thick, I won't be able to get my glove in there. What I'm using right now is some spider gloves, and they let too much wind come in. They might be good for skiing or something like that, but if you know, they're good in about 40 to 50 degree weather, but this 12 degree weather, I have a feeling they're not going to work so great in that. So I'm going to give these a try.
Let's take a ride, just you and I, somewhere we've never been. We'll get up and rise, loosen the ties, and all we've been holding in. Right now I'm gone, but I'll be back again. Right now I'm gone, but I'll be back again. I'll be back again before too long. We can sit a while and I'll sing some songs about where we're going, not where we've been. We can do it all and I'm back again. Let's take a ride, just you and I, somewhere we can have some peace. We'll get up and go, the peace will come slow, so much that we'll never leave. Right now I'm gone, but I'll be back again. Right now I'm gone, but I'll be back again. I'll be back again before too long. We can sit a while and I'll sing some songs about where we're going, not where we've been. We can do it all and I'm back again. Let's stay for a while, just you and I, somewhere we can call our own. Sit by the shore, no needs anymore, give in to the great unknown. Oh, but right now I'm gone, but I'll be back again. Right now I'm gone, gone, gone. Oh, but I'll be back again. And I'll be back again before too long. We can sit a while and I'll sing some songs about where we're going, not where we've been. We can do it all when I'm back again. We can have it all and I'm back again. And black, you cut it with my knife, and it's been 4 months, maybe more, since I've seen my pretty wife. I pray I'm home before too long. It's probably just a dream to meet my newborn son, who's waiting there for me. Every day is long.
Okay, so here's what's happened since earlier. I had to go to my mom and dad's and get my paramotor and all that, and my morning flight actually ended up turning into a midday flight, which is my first midday flight. It is now 12 o'clock, and flew a couple of miles away. It's really smooth skies today. The winds aloft are a little breezy up there, but it wasn't bad at all. Well, I flew to the grade school I went to school at, and buzzed around the school, said if I couldn't take the kids' attention off their work, make the teachers mad, I guess. But anyhow, there was this nice field to fly in, and I was going to do some low flying. And I came down, well, there was a pretty good upgrade. Uphill you had to go up. So when I went to get on the throttle, I did not have full throttle, but it was enough to climb out. Still, it got me a little worried because that happened to me before when it wouldn't go to full throttle. That's when I had an engine out. So I went ahead and decided to come on back, and I wished I would have had time to video my takeoff and my landing, but I didn't. I did manage though to capture some footage of me flying around, and this time with my helmet cam. But anyhow, my landing, you can probably see my skid marks right there, right here. Landed about right here and skidded to right there where my paramotor's setting, and I skidded across my knees. I didn't get no prop strike or nothing like that. So everything went good. It was a nice smooth skid across the ground. It was pretty awesome. But that's what's happened. So I wished I could have done a vlog with my new Cena GoPro backpack, and I have the Cena 10S and headset, and I didn't even think to turn the FM tuner on. Oh, and another thing, this is my new ozone flight suit. Got it off of eBay. I think it was $150, $175. It worked great. It worked excellent. I'm wearing this polar fleece pullover. I've got the Patagonia Capilene mid-weight base layer on, also the pants, and I just threw on some old gym pants. They worked really well. I didn't get cold one bit. I also had an Under Armour face mask on. It was awesome. Did not get cold. I don't know what the temperatures are now. My watch is saying 12 degrees, but I know it's warmer than that. It's got to be, because it feels like it. Of course, the wind's not blowing either, so that helps. Well, I guess it's time to pack up. Okay, so I'm glad I bought both pairs of these gloves. The ones with the data tips, they ended up being a little too thick in the fingers. I could get my finger in there, but it didn't want to stay. It kept trying to slide back out. So these right here were the winter. The winter gloves, just regular winter gloves. They were really warm. They're thinner in the fingers, and they don't let any air pass through them, which is a plus. That they kept my hands really warm. And oh, by the way, the temperature is 28 degrees here now, so 28 degrees and no wind. But still, I believe in windy conditions, these would still do the job. Now these are the spider gloves I was talking about. They do really good in, like I say, lighter weather, not so cold. They're just really porous. They don't have anything in there to block the wind out, but they do really well in, you know, like I say, not so cold of a condition. They also have the data tips in them, and they're really nice and thin. But anyhow, like I say, these right here, if you're looking for some winter gloves, these are from Cabela's, and I got them on clearance. They were $29.99. These were $39.99. They were also on clearance, but for me, with the finger throttle, these worked excellent. But these are the Gore-Tex. If anybody was looking for that, they'd probably work excellent with the hand throttles, because they're still pretty well, they're thin and maneuverable. These are just a little more thinner and maneuverable. All right, there you have it.